Does your client want to appeal?
Oh, absolutely. And she has some excellent grounds for it. We even had tried to get the UK judgment in to dismiss his case because he already had his shot. And that's one of the issues, but also a number of the evidentiary issues. There was so much evidence that did not come in.
Is she able to pay a $10.4 million judgment?
Oh, no, absolutely not.
Oh no, Amber Heard doesn't want to let go of Johnny Depp as she is suing him again. Clearly, the Aquaman actress isn't pleased about the Virginia court verdict and she wants to go for a rematch. The legal battle between Depp and Amber is not finished yet, and Amber would stop at nothing to gain her reputation and fans back. Does Amber have a chance of winning this appeal? Will Depp bring his team back on board to attain victory once again? The defamation trial between Depp and Amber lasted for weeks, and the curtains were finally drawn a short while back. But while the fans thought the legal drama between the two stars was over, it turns out it's far from over, as the jury may have to resit to make a fresh decision. Why? The Aquaman actress has decided to appeal, as her lawyers have reported. According to Bretta Hoft, Heard was affected by the ramifications that this case could have on other survivors of domestic abuse in the future. One of the first things she said is, "I am so sorry to all those women out there. This is a setback for women in and outside the courtroom," she said on Today. She really feels the burden of that. Elaine announced that the appeal would be going ahead, stating that Depp's team was able to suppress an enormous amount of evidence that was allowed in the libel case in Britain, which Depp lost. So what did Depp's team learn from this? Demonize Amber and suppress the evidence, Bretta Hoft said, although not confirming how long it may be until we see the official appeal. However, Elaine wasn't the only one who revealed that the Justice League actress will be appealing. A source communicated with Us Weekly after the verdict was declared. She is 100% appealing on freedom of speech and is telling friends she is determined to take it all the way to the Supreme Court if she has to. She is not able to comprehend that she lost, the insider added, and revealed that while the Aquaman star has not yet filed the appeal, she is convinced that she will win. Also, legal experts shared their opinions about what happens next in the case. Heard's chances of winning an appeal and how far this legal fight could go. Legal experts are divided on what Heard's team will or should do if they plan to appeal the case. Compared to Heard's story, Depp landed a solid and more credible story, and the jury could attest to this based on their final decision. And experts agree that appellate courts tend to be reluctant to reassess credibility judgments made by juries, even if this jury's conclusion seemed contradictory. Anyone appealing has an uphill battle, says Rebecca Sullivan, a Washington, D.C. attorney who focuses on family law. Most likely the lawyers who spoke to Time said, Heard's team will argue some legal error was made during the trial and will try to overturn the verdict on the basis that the jury was influenced by things they saw and heard outside the courtroom. Devotees of the Black Mass actor believe Amber would lose 2 times in a row if she goes ahead with the appeal. Amber Heard should not be allowed to appeal at all. What is she going to do? Fabricate more evidence? Lie a little more under oath? Someone should sue her for perjury and for submitting fake evidence to the court, one fan wrote. Find a way to pay up, woman, instead of wasting other people's precious time. And no, Johnny Depp winning is not a setback to other women. You just proved the worst kind of women exist, and you definitely don't talk on behalf of me. Hashtag Amber Heard committed perjury, another added, while another fan suggested, unfortunately, this was all too predictable. I was certain she'd appeal if she realized this is probably a predictable response from anyone who loses a case, really. But she will never let this go. She will never stop trying to drag him through the mud. I was so happy for Johnny when he won, but I think he'll never be completely rid of her. It's sad and also a little scary. But Team Amber on the other side is super confident of the victory of their loved actress in the appeal. One fan wrote, I say it's good he is digging his own grave as the world is all eyes on him right now. No better timing than now for him to show his true colors as we are watching. Give him enough rope. He will ruin the Brooks trial and Amber's appeal and lose both. Johnny Depp's lawyers saying he might waive Amber Heard's $8 million judgment is not for any reason other than knowing that she will 100% win the appeal and they don't want her to go through with it and prove how unfair the trial was, another added. While another Twitter user commented, manifesting Amber winning the appeal, public opinion turning, some dark from Depp's past being exposed and reported on, and him desperately trying to stay relevant as the world moves on. Do you think the L'Oreal ambassador will win the appeal? Or Depp will attain another victory? Let us know what you think in the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Stay connected as more news is about to hit your screen.